Hello, Aransy. This is Mr. Schrader. I wanted to talk about some of the work you turned in today to try and prepare you a little better for the midterm. This first problem, you substituted in 6 beautifully and did 3 times 6 is 18 plus 9 times 2. The issue that you had was a PEMDAS issue, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You added 18 plus 9, which is A, before you did 9 times 2, the multiplication, which is M. In PEMDAS, M comes before A, so M multiplication we need to do first. So we need to do this 9 times 2 first. So 18 plus 9 times 2, which is 18. 18 plus 18 gives us answer of 36. Okay? So here's number 2. If x equals 5, what is this expression? So the first step we do is we plug in 5 for x, and then looking at PEMDAS, we do p for parentheses. This will be 4 times 8 minus 5 is 3. That's our step in the parentheses. Don't forget the squared. So the second step in PEMDAS is e, exponents. 3 squared is 9, so this will be 4 times 9. And then that's multiplication. That's the only step we have left. And this answer as well is 36. This was good. You distributed 2 to the 15 and got 2 times 15 is 30. You also distributed 2 to the x and got 2x. The only issue here is we need to worry about this negative. So a positive times a negative is a negative. So 30 minus 2x is your answer instead of 30 plus 2x. This is good as well. You distributed the 2 to the x and got 2x. You distributed the 2 to the 3. This time you did come up with negative 6, which is good, plus 6x. You combine like terms to get 8x minus 6. That's beautiful. This is also correct. I didn't see any work, so I'll go ahead and just show this real quick. You distributed negative s times negative 2s. A negative times a negative is a positive. So this is a positive 2 times 2 copies of s is 2s squared, plus 7 distributed by the minus s. A minus times a plus is a minus 7 times s. 2s squared minus 7s, and that's what you got. So that, again, is good. Moving forward, I noticed that 2 and 3 are exactly right. So good job on 2 and 3. I wanted to talk about number 1 real quick. The first thing we do when we are solving equations as opposed to evaluating expressions is we use PEMDAS, but we use it backwards. So we're going to start with subtraction and then addition, division, multiplication, exponents, and then parentheses. So the first thing we do instead of multiplying is we will subtract 2 from each side. Get rid of that. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4 equals a over 4. And then we will multiply because we are moving backwards through PEMDAS. So we will multiply each side by 4. 4 times 4 will cancel. 4 times a over 4, will cancel. 4 times 4 gives us 16 equals a. A is by itself. And we're done. Again, 2 and 3 are good. 4 says you need to subtract first because the variable is not by itself, yet to get it alone you need to subtract by 4. This is correct. You do need to subtract by 4, but the justification is inverse order of operations, reverse PEMDAS. You said no because when you plug in her answer you get 24. The actual answer is 12. That's excellent. That is good work. She is not correct. Well done. This is perfect, and you even checked your work. That's phenomenal. You combined like terms, divided by 6, subtracted 2. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is good. This is good. This is good. I wrote down one other thing that I think you need. Oh, inequality word problems. I will link you to my video about inequality word problems. Excellent work, Aransy. Good luck on the exam tomorrow.